This is Mohawk's 3-in-1 repair stick, and it's got a few different parts. The first is the leveler cap. Under the leveler cap is the repair stick, and on the other end you have your paint marker. This chair has a small divot in it, as well as some wear and discoloration from the hardware as we were assembling it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is use the leveler stick to just remove any wood burrs from the divot. After that, you're going to want to use the paint side. To do that, just shake your stick. You want to be sure to be thorough. Shake it for at least 30 seconds. Then you're going to want to depress the tip just to remove any gases. And after you've done that, use a cloth and depress the tip to make sure that the paint is flowing. And then I'm going to fill in the divot. And next I'm going to use the repair stick side. So to do that, just remove the leveler cap. And you're just going to rub it kind of a 45-degree angle, and it will fill in the area. And then replace your cap, and you can use the leveler stick again to make sure it's nice and flush. And then just use your cloth if there's any excess on the surrounding area. So that repaired nicely. Now I'm going to turn my attention to this kind of discoloration on the edge and these little lines that you see. And for that, I'm just going to use the marker side and use a light touch. You can blend it with your finger. And you can see what a great color match this is. And this edge right here. Voila.